guys! Today we are here to answer a pressing question that I have not been able to find an answer to anywhere on the internet. Can you split a Lush Jelly Bomb? Now, there are plenty of videos out there splitting bath bombs, but no one is splitting jelly bombs, which is making me think this is either a very bad idea or everybody else out there thinks it's a bad idea and hasn't attempted it. Well, I have a jelly bomb right here. I've got my handy dandy setup, got my ice cream scoop, and I've been told that I don't need to use a big scary knife. A little butter knife will do the trick, so I'm here with my butter knife. Let's break some balls. So I've got my jelly bomb. I'm just going to look for the seam and find a little imperfection in it. Ooh, now already this is kind of getting chunky. Ooh, oh no, oh no, oh no, send help. Okay, ready? Oh, it's rolling. Ah, okay. So far, this is just kind of disintegrating. Okay, we're making a crack. Oh! So, it didn't crack in half, but the side of it just kind of fell off. I still don't see any jelly, which is what I really want to see. I want to know what the consistency of the jelly inside is. I'm picturing like Jell-O. Come on. Oh! Wow, okay. So there is no actual jelly layer in here. It, for all intents and purposes, is a bath bomb. There is kind of a creamy layer, but it's very, very small. I would say it's about ½ an inch wide of a very creamy layer there. But no jelly. I was really expecting a Jell-O inside for some reason. So there is absolutely no reason why you can't break these open. There's no Jell-O, there's no liquid, nothing's going to come gushing out. It wasn't the cleanest break ever. I got probably 3 usable pieces and then a bunch of little chunkies and dust, which I will still use. But I don't know, I was really hoping for some like bam Jell-O goo in the middle, and that's just not what I got. I'll go ahead and give you a close-up of what I did get. So you can see there's a layer in the middle that's just a little smoother. And that's what I think is the jelly in the jelly bomb. Now, I've never actually used a jelly bomb, so I'm super excited to use this out. I'm going to use it tonight, in fact, and I am stoked. Well, that was my very unimpressive video, but at least the question has been answered. Can you break a Lush Jelly Bomb? Yes, you can. You're not going to get liquid everywhere. There's no Jell-O inside. It's just basically a regular bath bomb. It's just a little crumblier. Make sure you have a mat. Make sure you have paper towel to collect the dust because you don't want to lose a penny's worth of this product. Okay, thanks, and I will see you next time.